What's up, my royal flesh? It is IJ Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, you guys, I am going to be opening up SUVA Beauty's bulging box. The SUVA Beauty bulging box is a $50 mystery box that they released maybe like 3 days ago. Wait, what's today? Monday? Okay, they released it last Wednesday. Like, I'm recording this on Monday, y'all gonna see this on Friday, but they released it last week's Wednesday. So if you guys want to see me open it and just do a little unboxing for you guys, like show you what I got and different stuff like that, then just keep on watching. But before you keep on watching, guys, please hit that subscribe button. Join me here on the Royal Flush, the Royal Family, the Royal Court girl. Also, do not forget to hit the bell notification right next to the subscribe button. It's literally like once you subscribe, you hit the big red button, subscribe. It's the bell that appears right next to that. Click that to be notified for my future uploads. And at any point in this video, you guys are enjoying yourself, you guys enjoying me and my content, the content I create on this channel, then give this video a big thumbs up. And with that being said, you guys, let's just get into this video.
Keep you all night, we can stay right on the safe side. One way or another, I'ma love you, sliding undercover.
I have the bulging box right here. I'm actually going to go on SUVA Beauty's website right now just to see if they have them anymore in stock. I think they said they're going to be in stock until the 14th, like the bulging boxes. Let me see. The saffron bulging box is sold out, which is the one I got. I picked out the saffron bulging box, and they're both sold out.
And
good job, SUVA Beauty. That's all I can fucking say. So when I first opening up, they said on their Insta story as well that that some people will be getting PR, which I feel like I received PR in this, in the mystery boxes. Not everybody will get them, but some people will get them. 100 people out of the bulging boxes will get them. So when I first opened it up, the saffron palette is here. So this is the palette that I chose, is because the Protege palette just didn't stand out to me that much, and I think it was in a BoxyCharm as well. So this is the saffron. Let me actually hold on. This is the saffron palette right here. It's like, just fiery tones, warm tones, that you can just do a warm tone eye look with, just pretty much. So I was like, I want a palette, something small that I can do like a fiery warm tone look with. So that's why I picked this palette out. So after the saffron palettes, y'all, like, I guess I saw the PR, like, I'm like, what is this? Like, and this is called the Rose Period palette, I think. The Rose Period palette right here. This is the PR that they were talking about, which looks something like this, which is a nice, I guess it's like supposed to be like Valentine's Day themed. Like, that's why it's like more pinky, like just pink tones pretty much. And it's very pretty. I guess, it was kind of smart for them to include this in their box, especially because it is February. And so yeah, this is pretty much the PR that you received in your bulging box, if you were one of the lucky people that did receive it. So also in my bulging box, I did receive 4 Moisture Matte liquid lipsticks. I got the shade Awakening, Thunder, The Unconscious, and Dreamer. Kind of cute, like how all of them are kind of like, dream themed like names pretty much. So these are the colors right here. So these are the swatches right here of the Moisture Matte lipsticks. Looks really pretty, and I cannot wait to try these. So the next things I got were some Hydra Matte liquid liners. This is a chrome, and this shade, and this is a matte, and this one is called Aztec. Now, I never tried any of their Hydra Matte liners. My friend Sincerely Nico he always tells me to pick them up, but I just never do. So buying this box was also like, you know, a good chance for me to try out some of their products, like, you know, to see if I like them. So you have to add water to them. I don't have any water near me right now, so I'm just setting them right there. And this is the matte purple, which looks very, very pretty. Like, I could use this to cut my crease. I can't wait to try those as well. Now lastly, in the bulging box, this is the SUVA Beauty liquid highlighter, which I cannot wait to try. Like, oh my god, I seen these at IMAX as well, and I was like, ooh, I can't wait to try that. Oh my god, let me just. Now this is a mystery box, so I couldn't choose the shade I wanted of this, but oh my god, that is so pretty. Feels like any other, not just any other liquid highlighter, because I have different kinds. Feels like, I don't know, it feels like very creamy. Feels kind of, you know, oily. That's about it. Very, very pretty liquid highlighter. Also, this is in the shade Trust Fund. Ooh, that's a cute name. Bitch, I want a trust fund. Period. So yeah, you guys, that pretty much wraps up everything that I got in my SUVA Beauty bulging mystery box. I cannot wait. I hope they release another one, another bulging box, just so you know, with different things, like, you know, maybe in the upcoming years. And I cannot wait to try out a lot of these products. You will probably see me incorporate some of these products in my videos that are upcoming, by the way. So yeah, look out for those. So yeah, you guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. If you guys liked this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.